So I got a question. Who likes their coffee? I know I do. Now, what about espresso martinis? Well, then keep watching. So is it really a martini? No. But I'll take any excuse I can to put coffee into anything. So first, it's our vodka. We're going to throw in 2 ounces. Now when it comes to vodka with this specific drink, doesn't really matter what you go with because the hero is going to be the coffee. So speaking of coffee, we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of Coffee Liqueur. Now, I like Mr. Black cold brew, but Kahlua will also work. Just a small 1/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. So next is 1 ounce of fresh espresso. So this part can be tricky because if you throw hot espresso and then ice all together, when you shake it up, it's gonna melt. I think it's a good idea to brew your espresso before you start making the cocktail. That way it's at an ideal temperature to mix with. But if fresh espresso isn't available, a strong cold brew can work well too. So, fun fact, orange and coffee actually goes great together. So trim off a peel and throw that in there. Add ice to the shaker and shake. So this we want to shake pretty vigorously. We want to make sure that we develop that thick, frothy foam that's going to sit on top. Then once you got your chilled glass, strain it in. This is one of those cocktails that always just looks really cool, especially when it starts to separate into those layers. Now it's time for our finishing touch, 3 espresso or coffee beans. And then you'll know you got that frothy top layer right if they can nicely just sit on top. And there you go, the Espresso Martini. Enjoy after dinner or when you just can't decide between coffee or a cocktail.